Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue with my show. So, right at the beginning of the scene, we see you in the kitchen. He gets a call from his company and someone informs him that Julian has tampered with some of the company's papers. Well, he couldn't do anything to Fan, so he decided to take revenge on you instead. You quickly hangs up and tries calling Fan. But even after ringing for a long time, Fan doesn't answer. Suddenly, Yu's eyes fall on the laptop lying on the bed, Fan's laptop. Since Fan wasn't picking up, Yu gets curious. He opens the laptop and immediately finds a folder. When he clicks on it, he finds a video inside. After watching that video, Yu becomes extremely shocked. In the next scene, Fan finally comes home and hugs Yu from behind, but Yu is angry. He pushes Fan away. Fan asks him why he's angry. Yu says, "No need to act in front of me. Where did you get that video and how long have you been watching it?" Fan holds his hand and says, "I've been trying to delete that video for a long time, but I just couldn't. Whenever you weren't with me, I watched that video to calm myself." Yu asks, "This video is from the time when we were just friends, right?" Fan nods and says, "Yes, it's from that time. Trust me, I deleted it, but I restored it again. Slowly, I realized how deeply I had started wanting you." Yu pulls his hand away. "This is impossible. Back then you were straight. What is it about me that suddenly made you gay now?" Fan says, "President Yu, who told you I was straight back then? And I'm sorry for recording those videos. You can punish me however you want." Yu walks behind Fan and grabs his hair tightly. "You'll only get forgiveness on one condition. Do you have similar videos of anyone else?" Fan says, "No, only yours." Then he kisses Yu, but Yu pulls back. "You're not forgiven yet." Fan asks, "Then tell me, what must I do to earn your forgiveness?" Yu says, "You'll have to make a video just like the one you made of me." In the next scene, Fan wears a different kind of outfit and sits on the bed. He gestures for Yu to come closer. Yu sits on the sofa, lights a cigarette, and tells Fan he'll have to perform well, otherwise he won't be forgiven. Fan gives his best performance, but Yu had already turned the video recorder off long ago. After all, if a person with such a high business rank ever had a video like this leaked, it could shock everyone. Yu can't control himself while watching Fan. He puts out the cigarette, walks up to Fan, and kisses him passionately. In the next scene, Ju Beiyan calls and tells Yu that he will fix whatever he messed up in the company papers. He was very angry with Fan and wanted to tell Yu everything, but he was scared because Fan could do anything. He was still furious about the parking lot incident. Then we're shown a nightclub where everyone is present. Today, Yo is playing a game with everyone. The rule is simple. Whoever loses must finish a glass of wine. C suddenly remembers that a few days ago they played this same game with you. Seeing this, Ju Batian says, "What exactly are you trying to prove by playing this game? If you're trying to find someone, why don't we just tell you the truth so you can stop searching?" To protect Fan, C quickly says that he did everything. Seeing Yu getting angry, C adds, "Maybe you didn't know, but Fan spent a lot of money on your brother." Yu gets even more furious, so Fan pulls him outside. As soon as they step out, Yu pushes Fan against the wall. "That night, a game was played on me, and you were involved." Fan becomes nervous. "Why would I play a game on you? Don't you remember I was the one who took care of you that night?" Yu says, "If you were helping me, then why are you so nervous?" "I'm not nervous. I just don't want you fighting with you." Yu says, And why would I fight with him? He's your man, right? Maybe you'll deny it. And unfortunately, I have no proof. Yu then says, I think we shouldn't meet each other for a few days. And that's where part 2 ends. See you soon in the next part. Bye-bye.